Doing is taking Pure Life, which is a new patented product that our company holds, and basically what we're going to do is apply it to all of these surfaces that you see in this plane right here. What the product does is that it turns any surface into a self-cleaning, self-deodorizing surface. So basically I have an automotive paint sprayer. I pour in the solution like this, put the cap on, and now we're ready to apply. The necessary prep's already been done as far as wipe down, clean, and sanitize. So basically, once we apply this coating, now you have sanitizing whether you forget to wipe down or don't forget to wipe down. You always have some kind of insurance now for whether you have precious players that are on your team that you want to keep healthy, or let's say, for example, this is a school bus, and these are our children that we want to protect. So as long as we have Pure Life in here, we're protecting our children, and that's a great thing.
Yes, we're here today in Sacramento, California. We're right in front of the plane, as you see. This plane carries a lot of athletes, a lot of top celebrities to all kinds of destinations. And what we're trying to do today is we're trying to Pure Life the plane. Basically, if you don't know about Pure Life is a solution that helps kills H1N1, swine flu, all kinds of different bacteria, odors, and things of that nature. So basically, we're trying to fly healthy, we're trying to fly safe.
For over a decade, Diamond Fusion International has developed and marketed innovative solutions for the restoration, protection, and maintenance of glass, granite, tile, porcelain, and quartz. Diamond Fusion products can enhance the beauty and function of all silica-based surfaces. Diamond Fusion International, also known as DFI, has products that range from award-winning professional quality products only available through authorized installers, to easy-to-use, highly effective do-it-yourself products for consumers. The flagship of DFI's product line is the patented Diamond Fusion coating system. Diamond Fusion has been used worldwide by companies such as DuPont, Alcoa, Mohn, and many others, and includes projects as diverse as the California Academy of Sciences, considered the greenest museum in the world, to U.S. Army Humvees serving in the Middle East. The two-step application process of Diamond Fusion fills the microscopic surface pores, which can become clogged. Hard water deposits and dirt can permanently damage the surface over time. At a microscopic level, the first step in the Diamond Fusion formulation seals the surface pores with an ultra-thin film, creating a covalent bond. A covalent bond is 10 times stronger than a hydrogen bridge bond, commonly used by other surface coating manufacturers. The next formulation caps the entire surface, dramatically increasing the hydrophobicity and durability of the surface, leaving no points of attachment for contaminants. This two-step patented process makes Diamond Fusion more durable and effective at repelling water, dirt, minerals, oil, and other materials which can diminish surface clarity and beauty over time. Surfaces treated with Diamond Fusion require less frequent cleaning. When cleaning is required, the job is much easier. A clean surface environment not only enhances the beauty of the product, it reduces bacteria, germs, mold, and mildew that can cause illness. University studies show that highly water-repellent coatings applied to windshields create a safer driving environment by increasing visibility and reaction time in adverse weather conditions. Diamond Fusion can protect all silica-based surfaces in residential and commercial buildings worldwide. This award-winning technology can be easily installed on surfaces in homes, businesses, and on virtually any vehicle, either during the manufacturing process or after installation. While other manufacturers may tell you their technology is as good as DFI's, there is only one easy way for them to prove it. ask to see their patent. If it is not patented, it's likely based on old, obsolete technology. DFI has patents or patents pending in over 120 countries around the world, so you know the technology is real. At Diamond Fusion International headquarters, located in Southern California, research scientists continually test the effectiveness of new formulations. Internal and independent laboratory tests prove that DFI's surface coatings obtain superior water repellency on silica-based surfaces. Diamond Fusion International currently offers 3 different application methods: hand-applied, vapor chamber, and nanopacks. Your authorized licensee or reseller can determine which application method is best for you. The hand-applied method is ideal for existing installations like glass shower enclosures, office windows, automobile glass, and granite and porcelain surfaces. The unique super-efficient vapor chamber method permits high-volume production while dramatically reducing production time and labor costs. This concept can be adapted to an inline production process that will allow for an automated coating using a production line. DFI has designed its vapor chambers to a zero-emission standard and has received South Coast Air Quality Management District blanket approval, considered one of the most strict regulatory agencies in the world. And now, DFI makes pre-portioned nanopacks, which has received Glass Magazine's Crystal Achievement Award for the most innovative protective glazing product. Nanopacks makes application and inventory tracking easier than ever. In addition to Diamond Fusion, all of DFI's coating products are available in this new design. DFI will continue working to anticipate the evolving needs of our customers and the markets they serve with innovative products and solutions. For all commercial, residential, and transportation applications, Diamond Fusion International makes life easier by keeping all of your silica-based surfaces protected. Put DFI's technology to work for you. Diamond Fusion International, a clearer vision.